This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and manage the vibration watch feature on this device. So at the start, you will need to wake your smartwatch up and launch settings either by swiping downwards at the watch face and choosing the settings style at the control panel, so this one, or you can also launch the app view and open the settings from here. Now scroll down, enter the vibration category, then scroll down once more and open the vibration watch preferences. Here you can enable or disable this feature. Once enabled, you can also change the vibration type that it will deliver, so digits, terse, as well as change the vibration speed between very slow, slow, medium, fast, and very fast. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.